In this video, we're going to go through the auto sales dashboard software. I just picked one of the three. We're going to go with auto number 2 here and use this as our example. But it's a pretty easy process to go through this to brand your software. And the whole intention of this piece of software is to actually give it away to local auto sales owners or workers or whoever you want to market this package to. You just want to basically give away. You're going to use it as a giveaway, so that they can just tell them. You could just tell them, "Hey, I got this marketing package that I put together. I'm an offline marketer, and I have this marketing package software. And what it has is a bunch of articles. It's got a squeeze page that you guys could use. It's got a report, a bunch of good content for you guys. So why don't you go ahead and download it? It's available at, and you put it on a URL, whatever your domain is, and you can give this thing away, okay? But before you do that, you have to brand it. You want to brand it with your own information and your own links. So you have to open up the brander, and after you open up the brander, this is the branding file here, this little orange box. You're going to go ahead and click on that. After that happens, you're going to get prompted to choose the file that you want to brand. So as you can see, there is no file here. So what I have to do is hit this button right here, this up one level, so I can actually go to the Auto 2 file. That's the one I want to brand. All right, so let me go ahead and open that up. And what it does is it opens up the actual software, and this is the branding tool. So we can change our title here. We can put Get Your Auto Sales Marketing Package. Download below. I don't know, something like that. You can put your phone number in there, whatever you want. Then you have your buttons here that you're going to brand. Okay, now these have to be links. They have to be links to where you've uploaded your auto sales package. So in the package, you get a package of postcards. Okay, so you want to zip those up. Just zip up, the JPEG files. And upload those to your server. Okay, so you can upload them to, I use Liquid Web Hosting. I use a cPanel to upload. I'm not going to give you a complete tutorial on how to upload your items, because your hosting account, whoever you use, should have some tutorial videos on how to upload using either FTP or File Manager. Okay, and there are so many different hosting accounts. It's not that I don't want to show you how to do that, but it's the fact that there are so many different ways to do it. It really depends on what hosting account you use. So let's say, for example, I uploaded this to my main website, and I put auto postcards. Okay, and that would be, let's say I put them in a zip file, so they'd be autopostcards.zip. So I usually zip up all of my items, and then I'll upload those to my server, and then what you get is a file that looks something like this. Now I would do the exact same thing for every single one of these. So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and put in my main website. That way you can just see how this looks. Okay, we'll go ahead and put in here, we'll put, I don't know, Amazon.com. I just want to show you an example of how this works. And then you're going to fill all of these out wherever you've uploaded your information. And then the last one here, the free consultation link, this one should be one that goes to your main website, or it can be a contact form on your main site for a free consultation or some type of free informational something or other that you're offering. As a marketer, you should be offering something that they so that your local businesses can contact you. Okay, but this is very, very simple to set up. You're just basically dropping in links as to where you want your buttons to go, and then the next part of it is your registration. Okay, so for the registration code, what you want to do is have your users, say you give it away free to a local auto repair shop or a local auto sales shop, and you tell them to go to davidcisneros.com/auto. All right. And they go there, they get their free marketing package. Cool, they download it. But what you want to do is collect an email address. So this is a really sneaky ninja way to collect an email, and it's through the use of a registration code. All right. So you're going to send them, you're going to click this box here, and then you're going to send them somewhere to opt in. Now, if you use Aweber, you can use an autoresponder page. If you use your own contact form, it could be anywhere that you'd like, but I particularly use Aweber because I want them to sign up. Then I want their registration URL to be sent directly to their email. Okay, so depending on how you want to set this up, and again, there are so many different autoresponders out there. I can't give you a tutorial on one over the other. They all work great. Just make sure that you set it up to where it's kind of on autopilot. But you can send it to a contact form. If you wanted to, you could send them to jotform.com. If you have a Jotform account, those are just contact accounts, contact page. Go ahead and send them to one of those. I'm sorry, I put that in the wrong spot. I'm going to go ahead and put that right here. And let's just say our code was something that you make up. Okay, so there's our registration code. You need to make sure that you remember this registration code because that's the one that you're going to want to send them via email. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on a notepad. And then I'm going to put it in an internal browser so that it opens up and doesn't show the URL. I really don't want them to see the URL of the contact form. Okay, so you don't have to put it in an internal browser. It'll open up in their regular browser, but it will show the URL. So I'm going to show you how the internal browser works. So we have everything all set up. We got my code. It's going to go, that's a regular generic URL, but I would set it up on a contact form. I'm going to hit done, and I'm going to hit brand. Branding is complete. I can then go ahead and get rid of the brander because once you brand your software once, it is obsolete. All right, so let's open this thing and get it going here. Okay, so you can see that the first thing that happens here is we get prompted for the registration key, and that's what's going to happen when you give away this software. It's pretty neat. Now it says don't have a key, so let's go ahead and click on that. Now I probably put an incorrect URL in there, okay, and that's why I'm getting this page here. I put jotform.com. I'm not sure if that's the right URL. Let me double check. Yeah, just checked it, and it was an incorrect URL, but that's okay. I just wanted to show you this as an example. But let's just say you landed on your contact page. I probably should have just put my URL in there. But let me go ahead and paste in the key. That's the key that I set it up with. I click OK, and you can see just like that, it removes my registration from the software. Otherwise, they can't use the software at all. They can't download anything. Okay, so let me go ahead. This was the Jotform link that I was supposed to send to, and it's a secured link. That's why it didn't show. Okay, so let me go ahead and go here. Now we'll go ahead, if I put my postcards in, I had it go to this little URL right here that doesn't exist. That's why I'm getting that 404 error. Let's try a different one. Let's go to custom video. And here's my browser. This one goes just to my website, and that's the one that I put in there. All right, squeeze page. I believe we put Amazon in there. And you can see that it just goes to different links, okay? That one we didn't set up. This one, the consultation, again, went to my website, okay? So you can see that all the links go where they need to be. It's very easy to do. That's how you get it all set up, and pretty simple for branding this. There's also below this video is a PDF on how to get your files, these 3 files. There's a little tricky way that I use just to get them to show like one it displays the software as one icon. So this icon here will display on my on my PC, and I wrap everything up into one neat little file. So that's in the PDF right below this video, so make sure you check that out as well. All right, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, as always, hit my support desk and I can help you with anything that you need. Take care.